guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Lego Angry Birds stage. By the way, I'm at my aunt's house, so sorry for any background noise. Anyways, let's get started. So what you're going to want to do first is build a slingshot and birds. For the slingshot, I use a certain piece that has a spring thing in it. So I can throw it and launch it. I built some walls to keep the bird from falling out. So you're going to want to make some of those. But which brings us to the birds. Okay, so for the birds, you should build something that fits well in your slingshot, like these. These things, like this fits well in a slingshot. I made one red bird. It doesn't look the best. And I built two yellow birds for my stage. For the stage, get a green base plate. I recommend using blue and brown bricks to represent wood and ice, and you can use gray for stone if you want to. I use regular green bricks to make the pigs, and maybe I can add some decorations like eggs and cups. When you put the pigs down, I don't recommend sticking them to the build. Instead, just put them down like this, so the slingshot can knock the pigs down and the birds. Alright, now we're going to show the stage in play. Let's use the red bird first to knock down the pigs. Let's put him right here. I'm going to want to launch it like this, and then I'm going to want to aim it at them like this. Darn it, the bird didn't do anything because I didn't aim it correctly. Maybe I'll have to aim it a little more at the pigs and all that. Yeah, okay. Oops, okay. So what you're going to want to do is just launch it and then put it right there, and then oops, darn it. I didn't hit them again. Yeah, it can be a little bit tricky, but you'll have to get used to it. And it works well. Okay, and I knocked one down. See? So I didn't win, but I still had a lot of fun playing that. You can do it at home. I mean, that's what this video is for. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave some suggestions in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon again. Bye, guys.